All right, in this problem, we give the students a scenario where they have $500 in their bank account and they have a $1,000 credit card bill they have to pay off. And so they have to kind of figure out how can they pay this off over time because they don't want to run out of money, but they also want to get rid of their debt. And so we basically have them roll some dice to figure out, what new purchases do they have, and then they calculate finance charge. So just to do a quick example, let's say they got $30 of new purchases. That would make their balance plus purchases $1030. Then they have to calculate their finance charge, which we can use Excel for that. That's going to be their APR 0.25 divided by 12 times their balance. Okay, so now they got $21 finance charge, so the new balance becomes the purchases plus the finance charge. And so now they owe an extra, $51 because of finance charge and balance. They have to decide what they want to pay. Can't pay the whole thing because they only have $500. So maybe they decide to pay $200, and then that's going to make their balance the next month this amount minus that amount. Now at the same time, we have them earn some income. So let's say they earn, a surplus of $80 of income. Well, now they're at, they'd be at 580, and if they spend 200, that's going to take them down to 380. And so each turn they make some money, and then they have to spend some money to pay off their credit card, and we see how long does it take them to get out of this debt. And it's usually somewhere around 10, 11, 12 months. So they see that, hey, it takes a while to recover from that.